Hey, we're at Zagö Studio Gallery here in Solana Beach, and my name's Ethan Wayne. We have a special guest today, Alvin, and we're gonna give him a bird's eye view of the gallery. Let's go. Wait, Isabel Beauvien, incredible abstract artist. Yeah. What do you think about the flowers, Alvin? Abstract flowers, Austrian artist, Zagorski. So good. We have incredible photographer Sebastian Smith. His work is largely inspired by famous photographer Helmut Newton. And we'll step over to the world's most incredible figurative artist, Frank Arnold. What do you think, Alvin? Which is your favorite? This one. Really? I like that one too. Javier Valle Perez, Nicaraguan artist. Beautiful. Sylvia Adams. Zagorski again. Blake Reagan, Southern California's finest marble sculptress. Marie Josie Bergeron, French-Canadian artist. And we'll finish it off with Virginie Schroeder, her Marilyn Monroe piece. She actually uses a syringe to lay the paint down. That's why it's so thick, just like a doctor does. Oh, and check it out. We even have a Warhol, Alvin. This one's called I Dream of Jeannie with the light brown shoes. Well, what'd you think about the tour? I loved it. All right. Thanks.